rain is huge. It literally blew the umbrella away. Look at it. It's getting all over my phone. Yeah, it like blew the rain away. I mean, it blew the umbrella away, so I had to like cover myself with my coat. I just now got home from school, and that was terrifying. And there's a snow packet today, so I hope all of you get it. Like, really, I hope all of you people get it. Look at that. Just look at all the rain hitting the ground. I can't believe that happened. Look at that. That's so disappointing. So disappointing. So disappointing that I'm going to draw a sad face on my door. And then make it a what? Face, an even sadder face. That's so horrible that it's raining. I hope all of you get a snow packet for today. Like, seriously. Like, really. I just really hope every single one of you watching that goes to school like me gets a snow packet. I'm only 7. And I get a snow packet. And it freaks me out. I hate snow packets because I have to do it work, but I get really frustrated about it. And yes, I do get frustrated. So, let's clean this off. Make it cleaner. Door needs to be clean. Like, seriously. Sorry for the background noise. I can't edit. Because my phone doesn't have enough storage. That's one. And I cannot block out voice with text. Oh my gosh. Hope you have a great rain day. And tomorrow's snow packet day.